Welcome back to another video. Today we have Milwaukee deals at the depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. So we got some sockets here, clearance. Looks like a 3-piece for $12 from $14.97. They are impact sockets, and they got a lot of bits on sale. Or on clearance if you guys need some. And then they had this, which the octane, the reciprocating saw for $135. And then they're still running this deal. You buy $4.99, you get $150 off. You buy $3.99, you get $80 off. And you buy $2.99, you get $30 off. Get to mix and match any of those tools to get that amount, so you can get that other amount on the left off. Make sure you guys get these deals, because there's some good deals here. Plus you can hack them. You can return the tools that you don't want and keep the tools that you want. It just depends, up to you, however you want to do it. I personally think all these deals are great, so definitely keep them all if possible. So you got $199 for the reciprocating saw, or $199 for the reciprocating saw. Then you got a 6 amp hour battery for $149. You got a blower there, a blower kit. That's the fuel blower kit. That's a really nice blower. I have that one, $2.99, with an 8 amp hour battery. Then you got the hatchet there, and then you have some batteries which are not there anymore. 12 amp hour batteries. $4.99 for the 3-tool combo kit fuel. And you get that battery for free. It's a 5 amp hour battery. Those are the kits right there, and that's the new reciprocating saw. You're getting the new reciprocating saw with that kit. You buy these kits and you get, I believe, a 2 amp hour battery. These are the brush units. And then this one you get a 6 amp hour battery if you buy that $229 kit, which is that one, the fuel. And then I found this on clearance. It was weird to find this on clearance. It's a framing nailer. It's the fuel Milwaukee framing nailer. And then I found a Joby on the back, if you guys see it there. And then I got this 18 gauge narrow crown stapler, $279 on the clearance section. But I believe it's not a clearance price. Maybe it is. I didn't check it. You might want to check your depot, see if you guys get any deals on that. Then we have this big toolbox. It's a really nice box. It is a wood top. Got $7.98 for a 22-inch depth, 61 inch in as in long. So it's a pretty big box. It's a really nice box. Then they had this the compressor for $349, which I heard bad things about this. The compressor. You got $69.97 for the smaller box from the pack out. That's the only they had left. Definitely wait for the Christmas sales, the Black Friday sales. They got some more deals there. Obviously at better prices. Well, that's it for today. Just a short video. I will have more DeWalt, Milwaukee, Makita videos from each brand. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. By subscribers and likes, and we'll see you guys on the next video.